Dr. Dimitris Kostopoulos, co-founder of Hands-On Diagnostics and the director of the residency program in clinical electrodiagnosis of Hands-On Diagnostics. What if one diagnostic test could change the treatment plan for 6 out of 10 of your patients? Well, recent research shows that EMG and musculoskeletal ultrasound shift patient management decisions in over 60% of cases. And this is not a theory. This is transformation. So welcome to the 12th annual HADS Symposium 2025 that takes place from October 18th and 19th at the APTA headquarters in Alexandria, Virginia. This year's theme is primary care physical therapy, mastering diagnostics, manual therapy, and advanced interventions. So this symposium is designed specifically for physical therapists who are not experts in diagnostics, but who are ready to treat more effectively by using diagnostic insights in their everyday clinical care. At this event, you will discover how diagnostics drive over 30% revenue growth in real-world physical therapy clinics. You will learn how combining EMG and MSK ultrasound with manual therapy improves outcomes by over 60%, and you will walk away with clear step-by-step roadmap to bring diagnostics into your practice. And of course, no prior experience in diagnostics is required. You're going to have the opportunity to connect with leading physical therapy owners, clinical innovators, and nationally recognized educators. And you will gain a rock-solid understanding of compliance, billing, and seamless clinical integration. Every presentation includes real clinical cases. You will see specific EMG and MSK ultrasound findings. Then you are going to learn the exact manual therapy techniques and therapeutic interventions used to treat those patients. Not just theory, but also demonstration, and in many cases, hands-on practice. Whether it is shoulder pain, back pain, radiculopathy, tendinopathy, or sports injuries, you will leave this symposium with strategies you can implement the very next day. If you treat patients, you manage a team, or make decisions about your clinic's future, this event is for you. You will earn up to 13.75 contact hours while mastering the tools that are reshaping physical therapy. So master the science, apply the skill, transform your practice, and register now at hadssymposium.com. This is where innovation meets income. This is the HADS Symposium 2025. See you there.